So you want to know how you can start making $10 with 7 minutes of work. Hey, my name is Karen Munasingh and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that bell notification button so you are the first to be notified when I upload videos. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start earning $10 with just 7 minutes worth of work. So I'm going to share with you the website, how to get started, and how you can get paid. So let's hop on over to this website. It's called Perpection. So basically what this website is all about is they are a user tester website. So people who wants for users to test their usability on their website or their app, they come to companies like this, and the companies like this looks for testers just like you and I. So let's share with you companies who they've been with. Parrot, Airbus, L'Oreal uses them, Orange, Leroy Merlin, BNP, Paris, Baz, and more customers. So again, these are big companies who goes to this website and say, hey, I want you guys to find testers to test our usability on our website and let us know what fixes are there. So what they are asking users to do, or testers, to be honest about their website, the functionality of their website. Is it user friendly? So when you're testing out, make sure that you're being honest with your results. So I'm going to head on over to my, before I go there, I'm going to go to the testers area. So the way that you can start become a tester is just to sign up for a free account. And this is, I'm in my account where I signed up for a free account. During the sign up process, they actually gave me a website, and the website where I give them my honest opinion about the website, and make sure that when you're giving your opinions or suggestions, make sure you screenshot it and it will share with you where to upload it to. So make sure that you're giving them evidence of what you're seeing and your opinion and what you would like for them to add to the website. So here, as you can see, I was able to go through the process. They reviewed my opinions, they reviewed my suggestion, and now I was able to get on board with them with becoming a tester. So they actually test you on your usability with a website, and then they have you go through and fill out your profile. So again, they call it mission. So once you are tested, they will send you more missions. Some tester site, they will call it tasks, but this one, they call it missions. So you just want to go and give your honest opinion about the website, share with them improvements that they can do on their website, because they are a legit company. As you can see, as I said, these are companies who are going through them to check out their website. So here they say user interview. So this is how they go through their process. And this company is located in Paris, guys. So this, if you are looking to earn $10 in doing like 7 minutes worth of work, it's global. The way they pay you out is by PayPal. So you must have a PayPal account in order to be able to get paid from them. And I think in order to start receiving the actual cash, you have to reach a threshold of $20, and then you can deposit that money into your PayPal account directly once you've done enough missions where they pay you out, and then they'll send that into your PayPal account. So guys, again, as I said, this is earning $10 with 7 minutes worth of work. So it literally took me about, I would say about 7 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes in giving my opinions on the website. I checked the website out, I clicked on their buttons, and I wrote my opinion about it. So, this is an easy thing to do. Now, while it's easy, you're not going to be making the money that you're looking for to maybe leave your job or maybe travel. So again, this may be for some people who are looking for a little small change, but it's not going to allow you to quit your job. So if you are interested in learning ways that you can actually quit your full-time job, pay for vacation without worrying, make sure you visit the links below, where I share with you all alternative ways that you can start making money from the comfort of your home. So again, guys, this video sharing with you how you can start making $10 in 7 minutes. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button, and leave me a comment to let me know if you've ever been a tester on Website and what was your experience. So I will see you all on the next video.